Alright then guys, welcome to Economics 2, and I'll be doing a bit of Economics 3 as well. So bear with me here, not really sure of how I'm going to try and set this one up, but let's give it a go. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but maybe it might be able to explain it in a little bit of a better way. So let's jump straight in, and let's have a look at what the cardinalist approach actually is, okay? So the cardinalist approach is based on the assumption that a consumer, a customer, can measure their satisfaction gained from a product in utils. It means that they can actually measure it. It has to be a rational consumer though. So a consumer can measure their satisfaction. Bear with the handwriting too, by the way. It's hard with a broken arm, and it's not much better without. The satisfaction from a product and this is always going to be in utils, okay? Okay, next definition. What is total utility? So total utility is very simple. Now this is just the total satisfaction gained from a product or an event in our case. So if I buy a kebab, my total utility will be how much satisfaction I get from that delightful kebab after a night out. Okay, so there's no equation for this one, so don't stress too much about that. Marginal utility, however, there is an equation for that we do need to know. So for marginal utility, this is the change in the total utility from one unit change, just one unit change in the consumption, one unit change. So now the equation that we need to know for this, we'll do it in a green so we remember because it's bright and ugly. So you've got mu, which is our marginal utility. It's going to equal delta Tu, which is our change in the total utility, over delta, again another change in the quantity. Okay, so if we work this through with part of the first bits in the table, we end up having a different, it goes from 21 to 39. Now the difference between that, we just work out by minusing 1 from another. So the difference is 18, okay? When it goes up to 18, by 18 even, the quantity only goes up by 1. So you've got 18 divided by 1, and that equals 18. And that's what our marginal utility is going to be for that part. Okay?